bleeding false alarm.
Yeah, you see Oliver Cromwell come flying out with his rubber plant. What a thing to say first, eh?
Yeah, I'd have gone for insurance policy.
Well, what I'd have done, I'd have grabbed old Mother Eel, tied her up and left her to fry. Get off, she's stronger than you are. No, she ain't, Eric. Not when I'm roused.
Told me washing was showing.
Well, I had to save you, didn't I, Char? It was an emergency.
It wasn't until you started, Andy.
Yeah,
All right. Settle down. Let's apply ourselves to the glamour of clause analysis. Where is Abapellogopholis?
He's not here, because that's where he sits.
Thank you very much, Dunstable. Now look, Abapellogopholis, I'm going to be very charitable and assume that you couldn't come into the classroom last time because the fire alarm went. So get out of my classroom, knock on the door as I told you to do before. Oh no.